Lock takes smart locks as the core, and also has a rich variety of mechanical locks. This Canton Fair, the smart lock area is very popular. Customers lined up to try 3D face unlocking, the mechanical lock exhibition area next to it. There are also continuous customer consultation engineering customization needs. The global smart lock annual growth rate is 15.1%. In 2035, the market size will reach $18 billion. Our locks not only have AI recognition, remote monitoring, but also compatible with 2Ya, Apple HomeKit and other apps. Customers in Southeast Asia and North America have tried it. They all rush to leave their contact information, for fear of missing the production capacity.